Bumbo rascal, where boy? Bumbo rascal, where boy? Bumbo rascal, who I go like man, wicked man, wonder.
What's some pussy there? Boy come from man name. I mean, man wicked.
Suck your mother, Bumbo, you're bad man. Chop up right now, boy, if you come down, right now, chop up. What should you say now, bad man, you're bad man.
Anything but garbage will come for that. I'm my mother pussy.
You go like you're wicked man, Bumbo clad, come down.
Hey boy, come over so come give me no talk now. You're wicked. Hey boy, come talk to me soon.
Suck your mama, you're bad man. If you're bad man, come down and pussy. Suck your mama, boy.
What you say? Boy, no way you say to man now. Hey boy, no way you say to man now, boy.
You're bad man. Another.
Suck you.
Boy, you're bad man, pussy, you know me. You're bad man. Pussy,
Anything, pussy.
Right boy. That's the entire same. I tell himself go suck out his mama 1,000,000 times. Scuba diving my mama head away. A gunshot man I get that. You hear that? Fully bad. Yeah.
Hey, me say, man, Justin Blake, you know. Stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel, man. And remember, you know, go up on Facebook and like the page on him. Awasa. You don't know. The link that down in the description section.